Running a smooth, efficient operation in an industrial environment is never simple. Delays, misplaced parts, and complex supply chain processes can disrupt production and add unnecessary pressure, challenges we help companies overcome every day. At RS Integrated Supply, we're reimagining the future of MRO. We provide smart solutions to help companies keep their operations running smoothly, helping businesses get the right parts, tools, and supplies exactly when and where they need them. Utilizing technology and data to cut wasted time, reduce costs, and make life easier for everyone involved. We're on a journey to make amazing happen. With a roadmap that goes beyond platforms or processes, it's built around real people and the challenges they face every day. People like George. George works on the production line, where safety gear is essential. We're putting PPE and essential tools in point-of-use solutions and locating them next to George's work area, available 24/7. No more leaving his station to find replacement gloves or goggles, saving time, keeping production moving, and, most importantly, keeping George safe. By integrating RS Sync with point-of-use technology, we're unlocking real-time visibility into stock levels and consumption. And with transparent usage data, managers can spot opportunities to reduce waste and improve efficiency. For Ellie, a maintenance engineer, uptime is everything. With our new mobile app, she can instantly find and order the parts she needs, complete with stock levels, supplier lead times, and product details. She can even see her full budget position at a glance, current spend, remaining allowance, and daily, weekly, or annual limits, so she orders with confidence and control. Ellie also has real-time visibility of inventory across all sites. This means global awareness on inventory, faster repairs, fewer delays, and prevents unexpected downtime. Meet Noah, our storeroom manager. With the RS Sync mobile app, featuring snap part and inventory management functions, he can handle all his daily tasks from his phone or tablet, no laptop needed. Using the app, he can scan tags or barcodes to instantly pull up all spare parts for an asset or view details for a single item. On top of that, Storeroom 4.0's automation and smart tech are set to make his storeroom management faster, simpler, and more accurate than ever before. Meet Sophia, a strategic buyer focused on delivering value, not chasing paperwork. With Sync automated sourcing, Sophia can enjoy effortless sourcing. The system automatically manages supplier selection, RFQs, and purchase orders for her, providing clean, reliable data at every step. And thanks to our global ID technology, she can track parts worldwide, streamlining sourcing and reducing risk. Sophia also benefits from evolving dashboards, giving her clear insights and control at a glance. Now she spends less time on admin and more time driving strategic impact. RS Sync, redefining safety, procurement, and uptime with smarter, connected solutions.